Hi friends, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Cynthia and I thank you for clicking on this video here today. So we are continuing my series of collection video, and today what we're going to do is go over just my body creams. We're going to later do, and that might be tomorrow, another video of all my lotions. So let's go. And then my body creams, I don't have as much as I used to because I basically have been trying not to overbuy body creams due to the fact that the body creams don't last as long as like lotions. So we're going to continue that trend. I'm not getting rid of any right now, just to let you know, but we are going to just go through and see what I have, and you guys will see that I don't have a lot for the men. We have Ocean. Right now they're finishing off Manhattan Nightcap and then Mahogany Coconut. So those two. And we have, and then I hit Ridgeline. I do have a Ridgeline. I hit the other new one. So I have two. One that's almost like, literally, I feel like it's halfway. And then just to let you guys know. And then the other one that I just showed in my haul 2 days ago, I think. So yeah, I still do have Ridgeline. Maybe I'll go take it out of the drawer that I put it in. We have Noir. Two of those. So then there's some that I have it in my room and I put them in here for now. I just finished my empties and I went ahead and put them in there so I could bring them out, but then most of them stay here. These are not what I call body creams. they're from Victoria's Secret. These are lotions. So maybe we will show you these again when we do that video. So we have in here Sweetheart Cherry, which I really love. This is so good. It does not last on me. I'm not going to read notes. I'll try to remember to show you. But yeah, this one right here, I love. I would repurchase it even though it doesn't last much. I'll wear it for bed. And then we have Be Enchanted. This one's about to go. I feel like it's going to go bad, but I want to use it up. So there's that one. We have Carried Away from, I think it was a recent Sass. We have that one there, and we have Cucumber Melon because you guys already know if you saw my empties. Well, yeah, Aiden loves this one. So I have one more. I'll buy him another one or two when Sass comes again. And then Gingham Fresh, such a beautiful fresh scent. Fresh, fruity, floral, all of it. We have Autumn Drive, Sweet Goodness. Yes, I like this one so much. And then we have, I should push them back. We have a Golden Berry Mistletoe. Here is that one. I might use a little bit more of this one and then share with my mom so we can use it up. Black Cherry Merlot. I do love this scent as well. So here we have, I didn't buy like the ones when it came in the newer packaging recently because I had this one. And then we have Cozy Sunday Morning. This is a good one as well. Okay, I moved things around so I can get closer here, and I went to get Ridgeline. So here is Ridgeline, so you guys can see I do have two of them for my boys since they do love it. So there's that, and then we have in here Endless Weekend, and here we have the notes. I forgot to show you the notes here. This is such a fresh, good scent for them. So we have here, what is it? Cloud 9. Eventually, I'm going to put this one probably in my next, and I'm thinking in my head, project Use It Up. So, Gingham Love. I really like this one so much. I want to see if it's not going bad because it is older. No. Good thing. Good thing. I love it. So, I need to use this one up soon before it goes bad. This is one of my favorites. Blueberry Sugar Pancakes. Love, love this scent. I know I have two missed, so yeah, thinking out loudly for my next project Use It Up. I need to do good on this one so I can continue doing them. Tiki Bay Island Margarita. Good summer one here. So there's that one. And then we have Pink Tie-Dye. Pink Tie-Dye. There's the notes. And we have Golden Mango Lagoon. There are the notes. One of my newer ones, Tropadelic, which I finished a mini body cream. Love it. Going to be using it this summer. I don't know if I'll be using it up since there's so many others that I do want to use and are older. Like this coconut hibiscus is a little bit older, so I need to use this one up probably before I use that one up. So that's what I'm going to try to do. So we have pink watermelon right here. And I think we can worry a little less too when they don't have like vanilla. Vanilla makes them turn color, and I actually think it probably makes them go bad sooner. Love always wins. We have here white t-shirt. White t-shirt. I do like this scent. I do like this clean scent a lot. So we have Moonlit Martini. Moonlit Martini. Here, Vibrant Fruits. I said I wasn't going to read it. We're going to go on. We're going to move on. We're going to move on. We have Disco Daydream. And I'm not sure. I think I mentioned it. If I didn't, I'm going to just say it again right now. I'm not going to pull out the ones that are in my project Use It Up. I feel like it's not that many anyways. Just go watch that video and you guys will see which body creams are in there. Midnight Spell. Got this one in gratis for free at work. Gratis. My sister gets bothered when I say it in English like that. It's gratis. Cozy Vanilla Bourbon. I love this scent too. Well, I love a lot of these. That's why I have them in my collection. And we have Papaya Paradise. Yes. I love this one. Yes. I love this one. So it is older, a very older one, but it's still good. Sapphire Moon. I know I'm not getting rid of this one yet either. I did get rid, I think, of the mist, but I do go through body creams a lot faster than I do with the sprays. I don't spray myself. I spray a lot, but not enough still. Twilight Woods, so good. I need this one to not go bad because I like it. So next one we have Emerald Mist. Emerald Mist here are the notes. And next we have In the Stars. I want to use up this one too because there's been so many different packagings now and I still haven't finished this older one. Leather and Brandy for the boys. This is so good. It's so good. Yes. I'm going to put it back there. This is another very strong, good one. Midnight Pomegranate. Yeah, this one is super strong. Probably because that patchouli can be very, very strong. We have here aromatherapy, cedar, wood, and vanilla. Ooh, I say ooh because this one could be going bad because it's old. Oh, yes. This one's going to have to go in the trash, I think. You see that? And it just felt like it's watery. Let me see. Actually, it's not watery. Okay, I know this looks gross, but what do you guys think? It starts looking like cottage cheese. Ugh. I don't like the way it looks. It still smells good though. It's not super watery, but look at that. I don't know. What do you guys think about that? You guys let me know. I'm going to go wash my hands and we'll continue. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think about that one. Tough luck for me, right? Mahogany Coconut, another one. They're finishing one up right now. So we'll put this back here. I'll try to keep them separate, the boys' ones. Vanilla and Palo Santo. I like this one. This is one that I can use too. But we'll go ahead and put this right here because there's a lot more boys in my house that they can use it up faster together. So Whipped Rose Latte. Oh, one of my favorites. Yes, one of my favorites. Hopefully they bring it back. I think I have another one in the other packaging. Let me show you. If I do, let me see right here. Yes, Whipped Rose and Vanilla. They just called them differently, but if you look at the notes are the same. Crushed rose petals, cocoa flour, and whipped foam. Yes, right? So there we go. I have two because I love this one so much, but I got to be careful because they have vanilla. So there is that. Pink Lily and Bamboo. Here's this one right there. Into the Night. Into the Night. A very strong scent. Again, it has patchouli. Patchouli makes the scent be so strong. So Pure Wonder here. We have this one. This one is a nice soft scent in my opinion. Forever Sunshine. This is recent sass. Yes. So There's that. And then we have this one I didn't want to get rid of either, Golden Eclipse. And here are the notes. I think I got rid of the mist. Now I can't remember, but it's okay. I can mix it with others. This is Dream Bright. I started liking this one a little bit later. I don't think I fell in love with it right in the beginning when it came out, but I enjoy it a lot more so now. Black Amethyst. I remember trying to get the mist to this one during a SAS, and I never was able to get it, but I would have loved to have the mist to this one because it was a super good, strong one as well. Yeah, patchouli. So you guys see? Yeah. This one, I have another blueberry sugar pancakes, but I got to use up that one first because I think that was the first packaging. And then my buttercups and berry Bellini. This is another sweet, fruity one for me. And Among the Clouds, I just got at this SAS. So maybe it'll last me just a tiny bit more, even though it has vanilla. We will see. Golden Ocean Pearl, such a perfume type of scent, in my opinion. And then we have Fresh Coconut Colada. Okay, we're almost done. Sensual Amber. Sensual Amber. And then here are the notes back here. White Jasmine. White Jasmine here. Sunrise Woods. I love Sunrise Woods. I hope they bring this one back as well. Another really, really good one. And then Daydream here. Very fruity with the pear. Where is it? Do I even see it? I know it's supposed to have pear. Yeah, there it goes, sparkling pear. So I just couldn't see it. 1,000 Christmas Wishes. I enjoy this scent as well. So there's that one. And then Blackberry and Basil. So there is that one right there. And that is all that I have when it comes to the body creams. It's still a lot, I know, but I used to have way more. And I'm going to count them and we'll end the video there. Okay, after counting them, I have exactly 60. And only what? How many? 8? 4 and 4 are for my boys. That's so bad. But yeah, if I buy any, I need to just buy for my boys, and I don't need to buy any anymore. I just need to blend the mist. Maybe I can get the mist and blend it with one of my body creams that I have, right? But yeah, that's my body cream collection from Bath and Body Works, friends. Thank you for watching, and until the next one, my friends, please stay blessed. Bye, guys.